If you want to create custom puzzles on chess.com, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the custom puzzle section, choose a theme, set a rating range, and start practicing with puzzles that match the type of tactic you want to improve. This is a great way to focus on specific chess patterns, whether you want to work on mating nets, forks, pins, or other tactical ideas. And if this tutorial helps you out, please make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open chess.com and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the site, move your mouse up to the Puzzles option in the main menu. When you hover over it, you should see a drop-down with different puzzle-related choices. From that menu, click Custom Puzzles. This is the section where you can build a more targeted puzzle experience instead of getting random tactics. After that, you'll see options for selecting a theme. Themes help narrow down the type of puzzle you want to solve. For example, if you want to practice checkmating ideas, you might choose something like mating net. If you want to focus on a different tactical pattern, you can pick a theme that matches the skill you're trying to improve. This makes your practice much more intentional because you're training one specific idea instead of just solving mixed puzzles. Next, you'll need to set your rating range. This is important because it controls the difficulty level of the puzzles you'll get. If you're just starting out, you may want to keep the range lower so the puzzles are easier to understand and solve. If you're more advanced, you can raise the range so the puzzles become more challenging. For example, you might set a rating range somewhere between 200 and 500 if you want to keep things simple and focused. The key is to choose a range that matches your current level and your training goal. Once your theme and rating range are set, look for the Start button and click it. Chess.com will then generate your custom puzzle set based on the options you selected. After that, you can begin solving and practicing right away. As you work through the puzzles, pay attention to the tactical pattern that appears again and again. That repetition is what helps you improve faster because your brain starts recognizing the same ideas in real games. If you want to get even more value from this, try switching themes after you finish one set. For example, after practicing mating nets, you could move on to pins, skewers, or discovered attacks. You can also change the rating range to make the puzzles easier or harder depending on your progress. This is one of the best ways to build a personalized chess training routine without wasting time on puzzles that don't match your goals. And that's it. Now you know how to create custom puzzles on chess.com. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in how efficiently you train. If this video helps you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.